Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete all contacts from phone. So without any further ado, just let's get right into it. Make sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss any step. So head over to your phone application, and there, as you can see, I'm heading over to my contacts. And once I'm there, I just need to keep tapped on a specific contact and then just tap on all. And once I tap on it, there will be an option of delete all just in the bottom right beside the share and more option. So once I tap on delete all, there comes a layout of move all your contacts to recycle bin. So contact store in the other apps will be removed from your contact list but will remain in those apps. So if I just tap in move to recycle bin, all my contacts will be moved to recycle bin or deleted. So then again I have to delete or empty the recycle bin. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.